Saturday night. You can't say what you won't do, cause you know that you just might.